So today we're going to open up the Melissa & Doug Slice and Toss Salad Set. This set has 52 pieces. Let's check it out. Okay. 52 pieces. That is quite a hefty set. But that also means that there's a lot of really fun details. So let's open this up. Oh yeah, this is so cute. Okay. Right away what I'm seeing are 2 dressing bottles. They're made out of plastic. We get a ranch and an Italian vinaigrette. When I shake them, there sounds like there's something in there. So let's maybe open up the vinaigrette one and see. So you can tilt it, and if you squeeze, you get a string. Well, you're supposed to be able to. You get a string, and it's pretend dressing. It's really cute. Very clever. What a fun way to be able to, yeah, that's really fun. And it pops right back in. You don't have to worry about stuffing it in there. Very cute. Okay, so we have our dressings. Very important for our salad. Okay. We also have, oh, this is so cute, little packages of, we have organic spinach, we have organic lettuce, and we have organic kale. Now, when we open these up, we actually have our leaves that we can put in our bowl. That is so cute. These are really nice and soft. The fabric that they use is really nice and soft. It's, it's bent, so it feels like, like what food does. It moves, right? So that's really cute. I love it. You get 3 different options. Can't beat that. Can't beat that. Okay, what else? We have our little box of croutons. So let's see. Oh, there's nothing in there, but I have a feeling, I think they're in the bowl. So this is made out of a nice thick cardboard. You can actually open it. Really nice. It doesn't feel like it's gonna easily collapse or anything like that. Really fun little details, nutrition facts on the sides. Calories just enough. Calories for fun are unlimited. Play value 110%. Very cute. I would love to meet the person that comes up with these things because that is really cute. Okay, now let's get to our bowl. Okay, now we have our yummy things that we would put on our salad. I believe these are the croutons. So we got some nice thick pieces of wood for our croutons. They have Velcro on either side so that they can stick together. You can move them around, stick to other things. That's super cute. We have some mushrooms. Looks like maybe this is cucumber. We have, this kind of looks like maybe it would be shrimp. That's cute. Little extra protein in our salad. It was super nice. We have another cucumber, some carrots. Looks like some grilled chicken, and those come undone. Those, like, you can pretend like you're slicing it. That's really nice. Oh, cute. We have some black olives. This is not made out of wood. This is kind of a foam, like a foamy felt, if you can imagine what that's like. The texture feels like felt, but inside of it, it's like a really sturdy foam, that's different. I like that. Okay. Now, let's see. We have more of our lettuce leaves. Get our bowl started. Nice good size salad bowl with our fork. This also has Velcro attached, so when you're eating, you can pick the pieces up and pretend like you're eating. That's super cute. I like details like that because it makes the play more real, in my opinion. So let's stick these over here. See what else we have. We have some other veggies. This is green pepper. Just like the chicken, the pieces have felt so that they can come apart. We do have a little pretend play knife, which I'll pull out in a second. Some extra veggies for our salad. We have a tomato. That is really nice. And this is really nice, thick wood. I talk about this frequently with Melissa & Doug. When they use wood for their materials, for their toys, it's not thin and it doesn't feel like it's going to break. I have a 1.5-year-old who likes to play a little on the rougher side with his toys. So I would not be worried about this getting broken up if, you know, he gives it a good little toss across the floor. So that's very well made. Love it. Oh, nice. We have a little can for our olives, and the lid comes off so we can put our olives in, and yeah, so cute. A lot of detail. Again, calories just enough. So cute. Like that. We have some tossing spoons. I like that. Made out of wood. Very nice. We also have our pretend wood knife. We can slice our veggies. That works really well too. It gets right in there. It's definitely not sharp. You don't have to be worried about it hurting anybody. And it's nice and light too. The other nice thing about these things, even though they're made out of wood, they are really nice and light. Okay. Let's get out our... Now, when we're making a salad, we have to have our cutting board. We don't want to cut right on our countertop. This is such a cute, super realistic cutting board made out of a nice wood. Just place your things on top and chop away. Super cute. Now, there's one more thing, which I really like in here. This is like a restaurant card where you can pick what you want to put in your salad. So it comes with all the ingredients. You can mark with a pencil, it says, and you can use the eraser to just keep reusing. Made out of plastic, good, durable plastic. Salad specials, you can create different combinations. They give you some ideas here, which is really, really cute. I like this a lot. This is so cute. Stuff like this is perfect for a little play kitchen. You know, whether it's like a home kitchen, you can even potentially put this in your real kitchen at home and let your child cook alongside of you, because they like to do what we do, right? Or if you happen to have a little chef's play kitchen, Melissa and Doug definitely has a play kitchen and a chef's costume. Your child can pretend to be a chef and come up with their own creations. This is really cute. I like this a lot. Again, so many pieces. I give this a 10 out of 10.